can go ahead and, some of these, the tops would actually they would hit the grill above it. So on a few of them, go ahead and make some of the lines on these too. Okay, so that's where the grill kind of hit and made little marks in them. The darker ones it probably won't show up on as much, so I'm going to skip those. So you're going to need enough of these to fill underneath an 8-inch. What did I just do that for? Okay, so you know what? If you do something dumb like that, you know what you do? You flip it over. Yeah. Something dumb. I said it. How stupid. How stupid can I be? All right. Here we go. Ah, voila. Problem fixed, huh? Last thing we need to do with our gray is we need to make a handle like this. We're going to actually need two. So I have one here. This is going to go on the side of our grill. And then we're also going to have a handle that goes on top. That goes actually on the lid, which is that big chocolate that we have in the bowl right now. That's the lid. Obviously it needs a handle. And it's going to end up being silver. So I start with the gray fondant. And all I did, see there? See, it was just so light and fast that you missed it. Roll it into a ball and then roll it into kind of a sausage shape. And then just kind of flatten it. And then I just want to make little lines in it for the, you know, handles usually have little lines kind of thing. Little texture to it. So all I have to do is brush these a little later with some silver dust and they'll be all ready to go. So let's go ahead and see how our chocolate's doing. See if this barbecue's ready to be put together. Here we go, we're ready to finish up our chocolate work. I've just taken this bowl out of the freezer and I'm going to see if it's ready to unmold the chocolate. If it's not, then we'll have to pop it back in for a few seconds. It's probably been in for about 10 to 15, probably 15 minutes. And do you notice what I did is I took it and I just kind of pushed gently with my thumb here. Notice how I have my other hand down underneath supporting it, because if I didn't, what would have happened? The chocolate would have just come unreleased and it would have popped on the counter and it could have shattered on me. So lift this up and voila, this is going to be the lid for the barbecue. And our barbecue is actually going to be red, so I'm going to sit this aside and we're going to cover this with red fondant in a little bit.